I'm Sandra Martinez with the Medrano Group at HomeSmart Realty. My team and I want to invite you to our free homebuyer workshop happening soon at Nova Home Loans in Gilbert. Buying a home can seem like a lot of work and even stressful at times. And if you're a first-time homebuyer, maybe you just aren't sure what you need to get started. That's where we come in. At this workshop, we'll go over in detail, step by step, everything you need to do to accomplish that goal. We're going to be talking about things like the advantages of buying versus renting, what's going on in today's market and how interest rates affect your purchase, and monthly payment. We'll also go over the do's and don'ts when preparing to buy a home. We're partnering with the lenders at Nova Home Loans, who will tell you about how to get qualified for a home loan and different programs available like down payment assistance. We'll even be ready to do on-site pre-approvals. We want to give you the resources that you need to get approved and help find a loan program that's right for you. Our goal is for you to leave this workshop with every question answered and walk out with a plan and next step towards home ownership. Click the link below to register for our event and make sure to reserve your spot as seats are limited. Once you register, a member of our team will be reaching out to you in the next 24 to 48 hours to give you more details and answer any questions you might have. And oh yeah, lunch will be provided. We can't wait to see you there.